Hi all, welcome to Geneso IT Trainings. My name is Sagar. In this video, we'll be looking at some of the most important commands, Linux commands. Pipe symbol, we'll be looking at it. More, less, head and tail. Before I do that, I would request everybody to subscribe my channel. So let us try understanding what is this pipe symbol now. So if you look into the pipe, this particular symbol can be extensively used in Linux commands. It has been effectively and used in n number of ways whenever we are typing certain commands in the Linux. So what exactly this pipe symbol is going to do? The output of one command serves as input of another command. So what this pipe symbol, what it does is, the output of one particular command will be given as a input to different command. So this can be achieved with the help of a pipe symbol. So let us try to understand with an examples. If we can really look into practically how it works, then I think it should be much more effective for us. Or what we can do is, rather than simply looking at pipe symbol, I'll try to integrate this pipe symbol with the more command, less command, head and tail command, so that you'll actually have an understanding of what exactly this pipe symbol. So before looking at practically what this pipe symbol is, we'll try to understand what is this more command. More command will help us to view contents of a file one page at a time. So what actually happens? So let us assume that there is a specific file which has got a huge amount of content. So whenever you use a cat command, or whenever you're trying to open a file, what happens is entire file content will not be visible directly on the screen. So it will move to the end of the page. The moment you type, if you're trying to view any file content, it will go to the end of the page. So instead of moving to the end of the page, what we want is, we want to see the contents from the beginning, like page by page and second page, and what would be the third page. So this is not a concept which needs to be a theoretical explanation. Let us look into practically. So let me open my Linux server. This is my Linux server. Simply if I type cat, which will help us to view the contents of a file /etc/passwd, and press enter, what happens is, it is actually moving to the end of the file. It is actually moving to the end of the file. So this is the contents of this file /etc/passwd. So if I scroll up, so this is the place where we have typed the command cat space /etc/passwd. Rather than showing the content from the beginning of this particular file, it is not showing us from the beginning. It is actually coming to the end of the file. With the help of a scroll button in the mouse, I'm actually scrolling up and down here. Rather than this, what we can do, we can simply make use of a more command /etc/passwd and press enter. The moment we press enter, now if you observe carefully, let me scroll using my mouse button. Let me scroll it. See, look at this. So this is the place where we have typed this command. And it started from the beginning of the file root, and it is showing that it's 57% is actually covered, and rest of the file is still remaining. So this is what the actual content of the file. And if we have to navigate what is the next further content, simply press enter button. The moment you press enter button, it will display line by line. Let me press another enter. See, look at this. It is displaying few more content is getting displayed. And if you press space button, it will display page by page. If we press space button, it will display page by page. So there are only a very limited page in the second page. So the file got ended. So let me show it once again. More /etc/passwd. What we can do is, here we can navigate. We can scroll down with the help of the enter button. Look at this, and enter. It is displaying whatever it is, scrolling up, and it is displaying the further contents of this particular file. So this is how we can make use of the more command. One of the disadvantages of the more command is, you can't scroll back, with the help. You can definitely make use of your mouse like this, but you can't scroll with the keyboard keys up and down arrows. You'll not be able to go up and down. You can't do it up and down. So in the more command, which is not possible, but whereas in the less command, you can scroll up and down. Now I'm pressing actually up and down keys in my keyboard, but I'll not be able to scroll up and down here. Only with the help of whatever the previous content right above this will not be visible. Suppose let's assume that I have this SYS and sync. If I press enter, the SYS will not be available. If I press again enter, the sync is not available. I can't make use of the keyboard arrows to scroll up and down. Only thing I can make use of is with the help of the mouse I can scroll up and down, but not with the help of the arrows. So it's more is like, you know, we are trying to get the information displaying page by page, and simply press enter. When we press spacebar, it will display the entire page. See, look at this. It is coming and displaying the entire next page. So I'll try to show it to you in the different example so that you'll understand it in a better way. The spacebar, the space button. So let's now what we will do. We will use a pipe button actually. So we understood what more command is. We'll try to integrate pipe symbol with the help of a more command. Now what we will do, rather than listing the contents of a file, I'll go into a folder called as /etc. And inside this folder, if I simply press ls-la, and I do have so many files. Look at this. I have so many files, but I'm actually coming to the bottom of the page. I'm actually coming to the bottom of the files, bottom of the list of the files. But if I can really scroll up, see, look at this. I'm scrolling with the help of my mouse, and it starts from here. There are so many pages here. There are so many pages, and there are so many files that are available. So what I'll do is, I'll use the command ls-la, and now I will be using this pipe symbol, space, and I'll type the keyword more. So what is actually happening here? The output of this particular command. What is the output of this command? The list of files and directories inside this directory, inside etc directory. So all the list of files and directories, all the lists will be provided to, the output of this command is going to be given to more. And what more does? We all are aware that more displays the content from the beginning of the file or beginning of the output of this command. So the output of this command is given to this more, and this more starts from the beginning so that we can view page by page or line by line. So let us look into it now. Let me press enter. The moment I press enter, it starts from the beginning of the file. This is the beginning of the file, dot and dot dot. And here you can simply press enter so that it displays each and every file line by line, or we can press space. It displays page by page. See, look at this. Here we have cron.weekly, and here we have fwupd file. This is directory and this is another directory. We have it, and simply press space button. So it will again display the next page. Again press space button, it will display the next page. But in more, you can't navigate up and down. That's not possible in the more command. So this is the usage of more command, where you can simply click enter or space buttons. See, look at this. See, so many pages pages of content is available. So it is displaying page by page on this terminal. So that's what we are able to view the entire contents and what exactly the files are available inside the ls-la. If I simply use ls-la, it will come directly to the bottom of the all files, bottom of it. So we have to scroll up and down. So instead of that, we can make use of the pipe command and more command. So let us look what exactly less command is all about. Less can view contents of a file one page at a time, can navigate up and down. It's the same thing, the same functionality in less, but less is much more faster than the more command. Less command is much more faster. Why is less command much more faster? It's because the entire file will not be loaded whenever we use the less command. It just loads only the specific page or the lines that needs to be displayed, so that it is much more faster. Only difference between more and less is faster, where you can navigate up and down as well. So let us see that as well with the help of ls-la, and give the pipe symbol. The output of this command, whenever you give the pipe symbol, the output of this command will be given to the less command here. So now this less command, see, let's look into it now. Press enter. So look at this. It starts from the beginning of the list of the files. It starts from the beginning of the list of the files, and we can simply scroll down. Press enter, and if I want, I can scroll up and down with the help of arrow keys. See, look at this. I'm pressing the up arrow now, up arrow and down arrow, up arrow, down arrow. So this is one of the usage of the less command, which this functionality is not available inside the more command. And the same thing, apart from that, rest everything is going to be same. If I press space button or space bar, it will display page by page. See, look at this, page by page. If I have to suddenly quit out of it, simply use a command, simply use a key called as Q. Q for quit. You know, if you press Q, it will quit and it will come out of it. It will come out of displaying all the list of files and directories, so that you will come out of the command completely. So this is the usage of less command. You can make use of less command for displaying the file contents as well. Less space /etc/ group. So this is one of the files that we have it, and I'm trying to, you know, display the contents of it. You know, simply press enter. See, look at this. Look at this. Displaying from the beginning of the page, and press enter line by line, and press spacebar page by page. And if you don't want to use it, quit Q. And less command can be used in a different ways. Again, less command has got some more functionalities, like less +5 /etc/ group. If I use this command inside this group file, it will start from the 5th line. It will start from the 5th line. So this is a file which will display the contents of the file. So we have some contents inside this file. I don't want it to start from the beginning of the file. I want to see the file from the 5th line. So I can simply make use of less +5 here. So let's see this. See, look at this. Here, look at this. I'll simply scroll up. See, look at this one. It actually started with the ADM. Okay, let me quit it. Let me show it once again. I'll use up arrow to display the previous command. Up arrow to display the previous command rather than typing the complete command, and press enter. So it started from ADM. Look at this. It started from ADM group name. If I scroll up, so I do have some more group names available. See, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So out of this 4, it is actually starting from the 5th line. If I use less +5, it is actually starting from the 5th line. So now I can make use of the enter arrow or enter button, or a space bar to display page by page, or simply scroll up and down with the arrow buttons, and Q to quit and come out of it. And one more thing, a simple command we have is one more option, less -N /etc/ group. Now this is going to display the line numbers. This is going to display the line numbers for a particular file. Press enter. So look at this. We have the line numbers displayed for the particular file, and press enter and spacebar page by page and Q to quit. You know, this is how you can make use of less command and the more command, which will help us to display the contents page by page or line by line. We can make use of it. So apart from this, we do have two more commands, which is head and tail. What exactly these commands are and how are they useful for us? So let me show it to you. Let us take a file. Let's assume that I'm trying to draw something like this. Sorry for that. Yeah. So let me take, this is our file now. This is a file. Inside this file we have some content, and let me assume, let me say there are 10 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. There are 10 lines inside this file. Now my requirement is in such a way that, or there might be multiple lines also inside this, not only 10 lines, there might be some 100 lines. Now my requirement is in such a way that I would like to view only the first 3 lines of this file. This is my file, and I would like to view the first 3 lines of this file. So this is the first 3 lines of the file is called as head, and the last 3 lines here. Now I have a requirement. I would like to see only the last 3 lines. It could be 3 lines or 4 lines or 5 lines or any number of lines that we decide. So these last 3 lines is called as tail. So with the help of head command, head -3 and the file name /etc/passwd. So this is a file. Now it is going to display only the first 3 lines. It is going to display only the first 3 lines of this particular file. Simply if I use cat command, it will display the entire content of the file. But I want only 3 lines to be displayed in this file. And if I use the tail command, tail -3 /etc/password passwd. Now this is going to display only the last 3 lines of this file, only the last 3 lines. Now I'm not viewing the entire file content. I'm only viewing the first 3 lines or the last 3 lines. So what is the command? We'll be making use of head and tail. So let us look into practically how this head and tail commands work. So head is the command I'll be using -3 /etc/passwd. Now if you observe carefully, I'm actually inside this etc folder. Because I'm inside the etc folder, I don't really require, I don't need to give this /etc here. Simply I can start with only the file name can be given here. But as we have been practicing the complete path, so I'm simply using it again. So now look at this, enter. See, look at this. You all know that passwd file starts with root. This is the first user inside the passwd file, and this root user, we have it. It starts with this. Only the 3 users are being printed. Usually, whenever we display /etc and passwd file, it displays somewhere around like 15 or 20 lines of, or 15 or 20 users will be displayed. But with the help of the head command, we'll be able to view only the top 3 lines of the file. Now, if I would like to see the last 3 lines of the file, I can make use of tail command -3 /etc/passwd and press enter. So these are the last 3 lines of the file. These are the last 3 lines of this particular file. So let us see here, cat /etc/passwd. This displays the entire file content. Look at this. This is the entire file content. Where did I start? This is the place where we started. We have executed the command cat. So these are the first 3 lines. Observe this, first 3 lines. And that's what got displayed here, head -3. Only the first 3 lines are displayed here. Tail displays only the last 3 lines. So Geneso user1 and user2. So these are the 3 usernames where it is displaying. Only the last 3 lines it is displaying. So you can definitely make use of the pipe command as well. So I'll use cat /etc/passwd. So this will display the contents of a file, and the output of this, rather than printing on the standard output, which is a terminal, I'll give it to the command called as head -3. So I'm giving it to the head actually. So this displays from this file content is given to this head command. So it will display the output of this. It will be redirected to head command, and it will only take first 3 lines. So let's see here. See, look at this. I can make use of the same command again. So I'm using up arrow to get the previously executed command. So I'll simply use tail and press enter. See, look at this. Now I'll get only the last 3 lines of the file cat /etc/passwd. So this is the usage of pipe command, and this is what we understood. These simple commands and very important commands, at times they're very useful and necessary for us. So what is a more command? What is a more command, less command? Head and tail. So this is about this video to understand about pipe, more, less, head and tail commands. And thank you so much for listening to this video, and I would request everybody to subscribe my channel. Thank you.